How to upload an advert on Digital Adverts Limited application. Open Digital Adverts Limited app. Input your username. And then your password and login. Select Digital Adverts, and then select Upload Adverts. Select image or video depending on the type of advert you want to run, and then tap on Upload File. From your files or gallery, add one image, and select plus sign in case you want to add more images. Remember, you can add up to a maximum of 5 images that will be displayed in equal intervals in a cycle of 30 seconds run. Note, you can run only one video if not more than 30 or 60 seconds for video adverts. When you are done uploading images, select Next. Input advert or campaign name. Your email address, your cell phone number, and then your WhatsApp number starting with the country code. This is to make it easier for a potential customer to reach out to you, the advertiser, through the system-enabled auto buttons. Input the targeted number of views. Select the targeted country or countries. Input the website link or a social media handle if you have any. And then select the website action in response to the link you provided. Remember to agree to the advertising terms before you proceed to select Next Step. Well done! You can now view summary of your input, and if anything is not correct, you can go back and rectify. Select the payment method. It could be mobile money, from account balance, or advertising coupon. In this case, we are using the advertising coupon. And finally, select Advertise to submit your advert. Advert successfully submitted for approval. Digital Adverts Limited. Ads that pay.